Hey guys, today's video is all about the top 6 products and what to keep in mind before you buy. Check out the description for more info and the latest prices. Ultimate Ears Epicboom. The Ultimate Ears Epicboom Bluetooth speaker may only score 4 stars overall, but when it comes to offering strong waterproofing and durability in a rugged design, it's the portable to beat. It's larger than many portable models we've seen and is similar in size to the Sonos Move 2, ranked below, but comes with a practical carry strap, has a strong IP67 durability rating with protected waterproof controls, and it even floats. The larger speaker design helps it deliver a bigger sound than many portables. It makes a great carry speaker companion for walks, where it delivered an energetic and exciting sound with the speaker at my side. It also performed well in open spaces, although the outside boost mode was less effective than we would have liked. Also, remember not to set the volume level too loud, as this can overdrive the main speaker, which hardens the sound. Add in 17 hours of playtime to keep your music soundtrack playing wherever you go, and the Carry Anywhere Epicboom is a great rugged solution for on-the-go lifestyles. Tribit Stormbox Pro. The Tribit Stormbox Pro, portable Bluetooth speaker, your ultimate companion for powerful, immersive sound on the go. Designed for outdoor adventures, this sleek black speaker delivers 360-degree sound, ensuring an exceptional audio experience no matter where you are. It's equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology. The Stormbox Pro offers a stable and seamless connection to your devices, providing uninterrupted music streaming. With an impressive 24-hour playtime, you can enjoy your favorite tune all day and night without worrying about recharging. The Stormbox Pro is also built to withstand the harshest elements, featuring an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating. Whether you're hiking, camping, or lounging by the pool, this rugged speaker can handle it all, delivering high-quality sound in any environment. Experience rich, powerful bass and crystal-clear highs with the Tribit Stormbox Pro's advanced audio drivers and passive radiators. The speaker's compact and portable design makes it easy to carry, while its durable constructions ensures it can keep up with your active lifestyle. Upgrade your outdoor audio experience with the Tribit Stormbox Pro portable Bluetooth speaker and enjoy superior sound quality, long-lasting battery life, and robust durability wherever your adventures take you. JBL Flip 6. Having a home speaker system or decent headphones is cool, but owning a portable speaker and using it to listen to tracks or audio content on the go is even more fun. A wireless and waterproof speaker is perfect for pool parties, backyard events, workplaces, or hanging out with your buddies. If you are a music enthusiast, you will need one of these products on a road trip or as an amplifier to play your musical instrument on the streets. If you want to enjoy music or audio from these devices, JBL Flip 6 is your perfect match. Here is a lightweight Bluetooth speaker that will deliver outstanding bass and distort-free sound. JBL is a well-known brand that comes in hand with Bluetooth speakers, and JBL Flip 6 is poised to continue the legacy. You can carry it during rides, hikes, pool parties, or other outdoor and indoor activities since it is dust and water resistant. In addition, it is a good fit for all music genres as it reproduces sound and instruments with accuracy and detail. Being a crowd-pleaser speaker, turning the volume up will give you a party mood combined with energetic, bassy, and bright sounds. It is built with a portable and durable design, a huge touch of rugged build, and ease of portability. Also, you will enjoy the customizable EQ settings, voice assistant integration, and fantastic speaker capabilities. Notably, its performance and features match its value and justify its price. Turtlebox Gen 2. Loud. The Turtlebox Gen 2, the ultimate outdoor portable Bluetooth speaker designed for those who crave loud, high-quality sound in any environment. This rugged speaker delivers rich, full audio and plays up to an impressive 120 dB, ensuring your music is heard loud and clear even in the great outdoors. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the Turtlebox Gen 2 offers a stable and seamless connection to your devices, allowing for uninterrupted music streaming. For an enhanced audio experience, pair two Turtlebox speakers to create true left-right stereo sound. The Turtlebox Gen 2 features an IP67 rating, making it waterproof, dust-proof, and impact-resistant. Whether you're at the beach, by the pool, camping, or on a rugged adventure, this speaker can handle it all. Its robust design ensures durability, while the stylish green finish adds a touch of flair. The Turtlebox Gen 2 is designed for portability and ease of use, with a long-lasting battery that ensures hours of continuous playtime. Its powerful sound and durable construction make it the perfect companion for any outdoor activity. Upgrade your outdoor audio experience with the Turtlebox Gen 2. Enjoy unmatched loudness, clarity, and durability, and take your music anywhere with confidence. B&O Beosound Explore. The Bang & Olufsen. Beosound Explore is an excellent go-anywhere, do-anything Bluetooth speaker. Designed like a tall cappuccino, it has a striking look and an even more striking sound that's both detailed and insightful. While it's certainly not the cheapest option on the markets when it comes to portable Bluetooth speaker, the Beosound Explore is Bang & Olufsen's most modestly priced offering in the portability space. It's also very outdoor-friendly, with a long-lasting battery life of 27 hours, Bluetooth 5.2, and a durable quality design that has a scratch-resistant hard anodized shell. It even comes with a bundled carabiner to attach it to your backpack. Sony ULT Field 1. Featuring a compact, easily portable design, this speaker includes a detachable multi-way strap for versatile carrying options. Constructed to be waterproof, rust-proof, dust-proof, and shock-proof, it's built to withstand almost any environment. Its sound diffusion processor, powered by DSP technology, ensures rich and expansive audio fills any space. Enjoy prolonged listening with a battery life of up to 12 hours. Available in black, off-white, forest gray, and orange, you can select the colors that best matches your style. Enhance your experience by pairing it with an additional speaker for immersive stereo sound. The built-in microphone, equipped with echo-canceling technology, ensures crystal-clear calls. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.